Nuri ng mga negosyante sa bansa ang katatapos lamang na halalan. Mareport si Sel Banihit.
Best election so far, yan ang pananaw ng mga businessmen sa ating bansa. Sa panayam mula sa ilang respetadong ahensya at businessmen sa bansa, pinuri nila ang mas mabilis na sistema ng botohan ngayong taon.
I went there, binigay sa akin yung boto. Okay. It's pretty satisfactory.
It's amazing nga, automation works. Diba? It works kasi less than 24 hours, alam mo na kung sinong mamamahala sa ating bayan over the next 3 years. You know, this shows that our people love democracy.
Bilang isang demokratikong bansa na mamayani pa din ang equality sa ating bansa.
O kasi one man, one vote eh. Parehong weight niyan eh.
Masasabing positibo naman ang kanilang mga pananaw sa mga bagong halal na opisyal.
Mga sound pieces of legislation, something that will have to do with job creation, boosting the economy, encouraging foreign investments, opening up the economy.
We are not going to tell them to do anything more than what they promised. We are not going to tell them what to do. We are just sticking that if you make those promises before, we promise. We don't play with politics. We always say we leave the politics to the politician and we concentrate on business.
Para sa Hatol ng Bayan, Zel Banihit.